Hey there, Santosh Singh here, and in this video I'll show you how you can set up the funnel or opt-in pages using our shortcodes and the Visual Composer functionality of the theme. So let's say you want a funnel template, opt-in template 1, right, which has this layout. So you go to funnel templates, resources for theme users, and then shortcodes, and you will be seeing this page. Now click on this arrow button and it will pop up with the code which you need to use. Just copy this code, close this. Now add new page. We'll write opt-in page demo, and in template you need to select blank. This is the most important thing which you need to see here, and then in text mode just paste that stuff. Right now you need to click on this button, backend editor. When you click on this, it will automatically converts the whole layout into the predefined one. If you want to edit this particular text, just click on this edit button, pencil button, and you will see the text here. You can change, this is the demo. You can put any text which you want, then save changes, then add image. You can add edit image also. For example, I'll use this image, set image, save changes. Then in contact form 7, if you click on this, then it will ask for all the contact forms. It will automatically, in drop down, it will show all the contact forms which will create from this menu, contact. For example, we have just one now, so you just, for the time being, we'll use that. Save, and it's done. Just click on publish and it's there. So now let's check it. Click on view page, and the image which we uploaded, the text and the form is here. Now this is not the form which we wanted, right? Let's create quickly the same form which you want. For example, let's create one, add new. Okay, so we want only name and email field, so we don't want these fields, right? Let's remove these fields. Click on save, and now let's opt-in demo. So within a few clicks you just create a contact form, and you just change the code which we just created. Now let's change the code. Opt-in page demo, add it. Now here we'll see that opt-in demo, save changes, and update this. Now let's check. Here you go. You see your name required, your email, and if you want to remove these fields, required, or just remove your or this particular these words, you just do it using the same contact form which I showed you. For example, here. You can put a star instead. Email. That's it. Now you have name, email, the image you can change, the text you can change, and this is automatically integrated with your autoresponder. So I hope this helps. Thank you.